So, very nice win tonight against the Fighting Grindavík.
Yeah, finally Tindastóll can win in this score, because the history say never win against Grindavík, so it's very good news for me, it's very good news for the players, and very good news for the club, for Tindastóll. So nothing, we are very happy, of course, but I think we fight in 40 minutes from the beginning, starting not too hard in defense. You know, we need to improve, especially in defense. But the more important now is the result, because it's a really difficult court for win here.
And a very nice start on the season for Tindastóll. Did you expect this before the season started?
Before the season, we never know, you know, because we have a couple of new players. We have also the problem with Flake. It's not for the moment, unfortunately, it's not with the team. But yes, we are working every day, much as possible. The young guys, they are playing very good, especially every day, working in the morning, working in the night. Everybody helping. Of course, I am totally happy with Darren Lewis. Darren Lewis and Helgi Raff, they are the top two players in this team, because have experience and everything. But the more important now is the atmosphere we have in the team. Very good atmosphere, and everybody go in the same line.
Okay, thank you, very nice, and thank you. Congratulations for the victory.
Tack för det, goda nog.